Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will provide you with instructions to get rid of the fake browser update alerts that are related to the website Launchswiftcompletelythefile.vip. It's a website that displays faulty messages claiming that you need to urgently download and install some ad blocker extension, but in reality, when people do that, when they install this fake ad blocker extension, they actually install the browser hijacking extension. The extension that is promoted through these fake browser update alerts may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. So please be very careful, do not ever interact with these fake alerts by Launchswiftcompletelythefile.vip website. It's a deception to install these fake updates because, as I said, your browser may be hijacked as a result of such updates, fake updates. So in case any third-party extensions were installed, you should get rid of the related extensions. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome browser. Click on More Tools, then click on Extensions. Carefully look through this list of extensions, and if you find any unfamiliar extensions in place, disable and remove them. There is a program that can help you perform the thorough cleanup of your computer, and this program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to identify and delete all other traces of adware, malware, browser hijackers, and it will help you to protect your system from more serious threats like ransomware. So please get Combo Cleaner's latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button, install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.